Today, I'm gonna prank people. Ready, set, go. Yeah? Shh. In the car. Okay. Right now we're at McDonald's. Let's go. Step one, leg. I'm gonna play a game. Oh. I got it right. She better not snitch. She better not snitch. Spooderman is whatever a spooder can. Watch out. Here comes the Spooderman. The GTA 6 sound. I'm gonna just make a lot of noise now since I'm making sure you guys like and subscribe. Okay. My job right here now is to just make a lot of noise right now. That was so scary, dude. Okay, they got cameras right there. So 3 cameras right now. There's probably one at the corner right there. Yeah, I only see 3. But I'm gonna keep doing it. Make sure like and subscribe and comment for this one. Spooderman. Okay, I just hold work or just right past. I'm gonna still hit his head. Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to run. I'm gonna just make a big old fart sound. Okay. For right now, I'm gonna play the little game. We leaving right now.